How to set up, use, maintain, and swap drums in the RYOBI 18V 1 Plus 35-foot Drain Auger. First, let's get your Drain Auger set up and ready to use. Pull out the mode ring, turn it to manual, then push it back in. Slide the cable lock switch to the unlock position and manually feed 4 to 6 inches of cable into the drain. Pull out the mode ring, turn it to auto, and push it in until it clicks. Finally, insert any RYOBI 18V 1 Plus battery. Now that we have your drain auger set up, begin by switching the rotation selector to the forward position. Squeeze the variable speed trigger to feed the cable into the drain until you reach the clog. Hold the trigger for several seconds to latch onto the obstruction. Release the trigger and switch the rotation selector to the center lock position. Slide the cable lock switch to the locked position, then pull the cable toward you to loosen the obstruction. Set the rotation selector to reverse. Unlock the cable lock and slowly squeeze the trigger to retract the cable. When the cable is near the drain opening, release the trigger and manually pull out the cable. Run water to ensure clog is fully removed. If needed, remove any debris from cable and repeat until drain is fully clear. For best performance, follow these quick and easy steps after each use. First, set the rotation switch to the center lock position and remove the battery. Use a clean cloth and soapy water to wipe debris off the cable. Finally, pull out the mode ring and empty any excess water from the drum. To swap the drum, start by pulling out the mode ring. Turn it to manual and push it in until it clicks. Slide the cable lock switch to the unlocked position. Lift the latches and open the drum cover. Pull the cable end out of the feed extractor and remove the drum. Insert the new cable drum and feed the cable through the extractor. Close the drum cover and secure the latches. For best results, follow these guidelines for setting up, using, maintaining, and swapping out the drum in your RYOBI 18V 1 Plus 35-foot drain auger. Additional accessories are available at Home Depot and HomeDepot.com, such as the 1/4 inch and the 5/16 inch cable drum. Have any additional questions? Call RYOBI customer service at 1-800-525-2579 or visit ryobitools.com.